What's up, everyone? It is Jason Jani, and welcome back to the channel. Now, we just finished the most insanely fun and insanely surprising wedding celebration that I've done in a long time. Man, I tell you what, at the end of the night, I thought of all the music that we played. I thought of how the entire night flowed, and it caught me by surprise. So I figured we'd record an outro video as an intro, inviting you to sit back, relax, and check out the footage from this insane wedding at the Hotel LBI here in LBI, New Jersey, down by the beach, summertime vibes. And today we helped Dan and Christina celebrate their wedding with SCE style. Now I'm pumped to take you through this celebration. We provided ceremony, music, and microphone support using the Evolve 8. Information on that in the description underneath this video. We provided cocktail hour sound with the Evolve 8 for this amazing couple here today. And we provided sound and lighting for this couple for their wedding celebration that was just totally wild. And we kept these people dancing through dessert. It didn't stop once it started. Man, it was just awesome. So framework for today, we did ceremony, we did cocktail hour, we did reception. It was full throttle. It was just a lot of fun, very diverse in terms of people that were very into music, and it was just a whole lot of awesome to be part of. And such a diverse and really, really cool party that I was just super honored to be part of. If you're a DJ watching this and you're interested in getting a history report on the music that I played for this celebration, I invite you to check out the link in the description underneath this video, because you can actually get a snapshot of my Serato history. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the footage of the ceremony, the introductions, the party itself, and if you have any questions about anything at all that we were doing, please leave it in the comments underneath this video, and I appreciate you for checking this out. For the reception, we had our super dope custom Jason Jani DJ booth with the couple's names, some pictures and video on it for everyone's enjoyment today. From a lighting perspective, we had 8 Astera AX1s. From an intelligent lighting perspective, we had 2 Chauvet Maverick Force S spots, my new favorite lighting fixture. I'm gonna put links to all of that stuff in the description underneath this video. We did lighting control from the Wolf Mix, or the American WMX1 controller, which is a really, really powerful and really, really new tool for me and our lighting control. It essentially operates without the use of a computer, standalone, and it's just insane. Presets, layers, overlays, and a whole lot of control. More videos coming on that to this channel in the days, weeks, and months ahead. Sound, RCF TT, W4A, TT, 18AS subs, powerful for this room. And my whole booth, kind of same as it always is. Rain 12s, S11, ULXD microphones by Shure, Touch Mix 8 by QSC for our mixer, Red Patch panels, and a whole lot of other stuff. Anyway, you have questions about any of that, please leave it in the comments underneath this video. And that's it.
All right, I think we are finally ready to get tonight's celebration started. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Good evening, family and friends. It's an honor to welcome you all right here to the incredible, the beautiful, the amazing Hotel LBI. And of course, and more importantly, to the long-awaited wedding celebration for Christina and for Daniel Schwartz. Now, I've got one question for everyone right here in this room. By round of applause and by a whole lot of noise, who here is finally ready to get tonight's celebration started? That was a legit question. Who here is finally ready to get tonight's celebration started? The jackets are coming off, the ties are already coming undone. I can't wait to celebrate love with each and every one of you guys. Please allow me to introduce myself. My name is Jason Jani. Here we have the SC event group. Along with the team back here, we provide the audio landscape for everyone's enjoyment right here tonight. We came here to have some fun. We came here to make some memories happen. And we came here to dance the night away with 2 incredible people starting their family in this building tonight. And I hope you guys are ready to make history happen, because it's about to go down right now. So here's what I need you to do. I need every single person in this room to turn your attention towards the entranceway you all entered in from, because it's now time to bring in all of the VIPs representing Team Bride and Team Groom here with us tonight. Ladies and gentlemen, on the count of 3, I need y'all to make some noise for our wedding squad tonight. Ready? Here they come. 1, 2, 3. Let's hear it for our VIPs. Yes. I need everyone to make some noise for our beautiful bridesmaids and all of our groomsmen here tonight. Let's hear it for our wedding squad. All right, so we're missing 2 people from continuing our celebration tonight. And I know that you guys are all in the chill vibe mode, but we need to make this come alive right now. So check it out. If you can hear my voice and you are in a chair, I need y'all to stand up nice and tall. No one in the room can be in a seat any longer tonight. I think we need to make sure the energy is proper. Let's have everyone clap their hands to this beat. Everyone clap those hands, come on. We all saw the magic take place just a short while ago. It is now time to bring in the reason we are all here tonight. So ladies and gentlemen, it is my honor to invite you all to turn your attention towards our main entranceway. And please scream, please shout, and please welcome the brand new Mr. and Mrs. Schwartz. Can everyone make some noise for Daniel tonight? Can everyone make some noise for Christina tonight? Now, ladies and gentlemen, keep those hands together. Let's clap. Can everyone make some noise for the newlyweds tonight? We're gonna have an incredible time right here this evening. We're gonna invite you guys to stay right there in the center of our dance floor. How amazing do they look right here in this room tonight? I mean, like, for real, how amazing do they look in this room right here tonight? Come on now. This right here is one of those iconic moments in life. It happens to be their first dance together officially as husband and as wife. So I'm gonna ask you all to put your hands together nice and loud for them. One more time, let's hear it for them. Come on, come on, come on. It is now time for them to share the dance floor and celebrate your beautiful song titled Dressed Up in White.
As far as heartbeats go, it's beating right out of my chest. Oh, wanna see you all dressed up in white. Baby, so fathers, be good to your daughters. Daughters will learn like you do. I can see the red tail lights and the spiny see what goes